talk about what initially triggered your consideration of automation. Kind of tell that story.
Yeah, so we talk a lot. We talk about the vision, where the company was, where it's at today, and where it's going to be in 3 to 5 years. So we've been talking about this type of automation on the shop floor for a while, maybe a year or so-ish. And I have a relationship with Craig. I knew about the system. And we really thought that this is the time to enter into automation because much like in the 80s when CNC was starting up, there was that big paradigm shift away from manual machining to CNC machining. I think that this type of automation is going to be really profound in the next 3 to 5 years. I think if you're not going to do it, you're going to be sorry that you haven't done it. Just like when we, all of us, were integrating CNC machines on our shop floor, it was tough, it was difficult, but you got to push through and just do it. So really, I have a young staff. This was a very easy way to get our feet wet with it. Like I said, we've only been using it 8 years, and so far the results have been really profound.
8 years?
I'm sorry, 8 weeks. 8 weeks. Thank you.